Hi there, it's good to see you. I'm Tisha. Today, I would like to discuss how one can make a skillful career in YouTube. It's an exciting and rapidly growing career for youngsters, especially. As a YouTuber, you have the freedom to explore your passion and you can express yourself authentically. YouTube not only provides space for you to showcase your unique talent but also connects with famous YouTubers all around the world. Building a successful career in YouTube is not easy as you have to face many challenges like it's highly competitive, it requires innovation and most importantly originality. It is important to connect to the audience and produce high quality content regularly. It may take time to gain a good amount of subscribers, so patience and persistence are vital qualities to possess. It does not matter what others are doing, it matters what you are doing. So keep promoting yourself even if you get 10 likes and 0 comments. Thank you.